One death, one meeting, and a conservative world now at war with itself. You're watching Times XP. My name is Rityasri, and do you remember Charlie? Charlie Kirk? He's gone. The founder of Turning Point USA, a powerful voice, a political symbol, and after his killing, America expected grief, not a firestorm. And then enters Candace Owens. 4.5 hours, that's how long she sat with Erica Kirk, Charlie's widow. Private, emotional, heavy. You would think that meeting would end with questions, right? It didn't. Instead, she walked on and dropped a bombshell. She said that she does not believe the accused killer acted alone. She hinted at an outside force. She refused to close the door on darker possibility here, and the internet, it exploded. In fact, Erica Kirk responds firmly, calmly, clearly. She says, trust law enforcement, respect the evidence, stop turning grief into theories. Her message is very simple: let my husband rest. But Candace Owens, that person won't step back. She keeps asking questions, she keeps pushing doubts, she keeps on saying something does not add up here. Now, watch the fallout here. Conservative media split down in the middle. Some cheered Candace, calling her brave, fearless, unfiltered. Others accused her of crossing a line, turning tragedy into speculation. Now, online, the debate turns vicious. Is asking questions journalism? Or is it conspiracy? Is silence respect? Or is it surrender? This is no longer just about a murder. This is about truth versus timing. This is about skepticism versus sensitivity. It is about public curiosity versus private pain. And there's one uncomfortable reality here. When influential voices speak, millions listen, and every word carries weight here. So here we are. A widow asking for closure, a commentator demanding answers. In fact, she has accused Israel in the killing of Charlie Kirk. Can you imagine that? But there is no clear evidence or any sort of information why these questions are being raised right now. These are just based on speculations because Israel has been involved in very controversial matters throughout the year. And specifically, being one of the closest ally of the United States, Israel has been dragged into multiple controversy theories, which are never proven. In fact, after Charlie Kirk's death also, there were speculations that Israel was involved in this murder, but Netanyahu's government, they clearly denied all the accusations, called them baseless and without any clear evidence. And a moment that has been torn between loyalty and restraint now. The question now hangs in the air. Where does accountability end and responsibility begins? Because in the age of viral narratives, even grief becomes a battleground.